Life's short, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen, bro. Yeah, life's short. But why are you only making that excuse to go out and do dumb shit? Why aren't you making that excuse for reaching your goals? Life's short. You could die tomorrow. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the Dragon Dynasty. It's your boy, Dripped Dragon. And today, we're going to talk about why forgot. Why you need to not be celebrating being regular. Let's get into it, okay? So, you're going out with your friends every weekend. You know what I'm saying? You're going to parties, you're going to bars. You just doing regular shit. You smoking, drinking. But are you making progress? That's the real question you gotta ask yourself when you're doing all these things. Do I deserve to be doing what I'm doing right now? What have I done this week that makes me feel good about doing what I'm doing right now? That's what you gotta think about, man. It may be hard for a lot of you to understand, but you really have to be disciplined in order to get to the next level. I'm sure I told you guys this before. Discipline is a big component in truly being masculine, number one. And two, truly reaching success and maintaining that success. Because once you got millions, they don't just stay there. You got to know how to flip and keep moving, make investments. You can't stay stagnant. So you don't have time to be going out and getting drunk and high off your ass for nothing. And all you did this week was go to and from work and sit on your ass and play video games. Why aren't you working on that business you want to start? Why aren't you trying that side hustle? Why aren't you recording music like you said you were? Why aren't you recording your videos? Why aren't you recording those self-tapes, actors? What's going on? You need to get up and do what you need to do, not what you want to do. That's how you build discipline, okay? I told you this in the other video, the discipline video. Go back and watch it if you haven't. Look, you need to maintain. The more you go out, the more you say yes to different plans that pull you each and every way. You were starting to record that video, but somebody calls you right quick and said, we going out, and you just jumping up and saying yes. Think about what you want. How bad do you want to really do this shit? Do you even really want to do this shit? Or is it just something you think is going to be for fun? Doing this at all different types of times of the day. 6 a.m., 1 a.m. Now fucking luckily it's the evening or some shit, you know what I'm saying? So it's cooler now, but this shit ain't fun. I could be sitting watching another YouTuber right now or studying a movie. But instead, I'm giving this content to you guys because it's what I need to do. I need to get these videos out. I need to get this message out, more importantly, because that's my duty from above. Remember that too. That's what I've been put here for. So I'm not going to waste my time going out all the time, doing dumb shit, just to say I did it. Life's short, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen, bro. Yeah, life's short. But why are you only making that excuse to go out and do dumb shit? Why aren't you making that excuse for reaching your goals? Life's short. You could die tomorrow. And you would have never started that side hustle. You would have never made that phone call to that one client. You would have never dropped that video. You would have never got that first first professional fight. Just think about it, man. Shit happens every day. And once again, it all goes back to what you want. If you don't know that, you don't know shit. I don't give a fuck how many books you read about different crafts and things that may interest you. If you don't know what you want out of your future life, for the rest of your life, you're fucked. You have no plan. You have no sense of direction. You're just flailing with the wind. You gotta make this shit make sense. So you gotta stop going out and getting belligerently drunk just to come back home to fucking nothing. You're happy with that? You're happy with coming home to that busted ass couch, that busted ass fucking mattress, that busted ass girlfriend, that busted ass kitchen, that busted ass toilet? You're happy with that? If the answer's no, then get off your ass and stop wasting your time. Stop saying yes every time someone gives you some plans. Stop. If it's getting in the way of what you need to do, fuck it. I'm not saying you can't go out with your friends. Of course, every now and then you need to go out and make sure that your network of guys are still on their shit, you know what I'm saying? See if everybody got it, you know, everybody out there contributing, you know what I'm saying, to the meal or whatever, you know, paying their way, or, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everybody's straight, man. You know, talk to your boys, see how their lives are going, you know what I'm saying? It's good to connect. Otherwise, you just got people around you for no reason if you have no connection. They have to be on the same type of time as you, same type of grind. You can barely get in contact with them because they're busy doing their shit. One of my friends, he has a podcast on the way. So, look forward to seeing me on there as well. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of shit coming this summer, man. A lot of shit coming. So I'll just be ready. But, all in all, man, just make sure that you have some sense of self-respect. Have some sense of self-respect, man. Please. You know that going out and getting drunk until you throw up makes no sense at all. When you could be at home reading about the passion or craft or purpose you want to fulfill. You'd be reading about that. You could be actually doing something about that. But instead, your face is in a fucking toilet. I want you to think about that the next time you're in a club bathroom and your face is in the fucking toilet. What did I do this week to deserve to even be this drunk right now? What did I do? Nothing. Nothing but eating pizza and playing video games and sitting on my fat ass. That's all I did this week. And now I'm belligerently drunk this weekend off of my 9-to-5 money. And I call it having fun. It's a ritual. It's what we like to do. Fuck that. You need to want more. If you are okay with being regular, that is perfectly fine. Continue to do what you do. You can click off this video if you want to. It is what it is. But if you're striving for greatness, you gotta give that shit up. You gotta give it up. You shouldn't be getting that drunk anyway, where you can't function, can't defend yourself. The fuck sense does it make? Especially if you want to make a lot of money in the future. You still gonna get faded like that? Oh, my security will take care of it. Alright, pussy. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with security, because best believe I'll have some. But they're there to pull me off a motherfucker, not to pull a motherfucker off of me. It's a difference. Man. A lot of you guys just gotta learn from experience, man. You know, I know there's a lot of young guys just gonna be watching this, just thinking like, what the fuck does he know? You know, those fat ass shades, man. Well, let me tell you something. I've been in your shoes. And I know that it feels great to be able to just come home and chill after a long day at school or work or whatever you do from day to day that you low-key hate. Why don't you brighten your mood by coming home and doing what you want to do as far as getting to the next level? You want to start that business? Get started. You want to be an actor? Start recording some monologues. You want to learn more about how to read people? Start reading some books. It's just that simple. You keep doing that every day, I promise you'll make it. I promise you'll make it. And that habit will be built. That discipline will be built. Then there will be no pump faking. Because like I said in the last video, you can't cheat the game. You can't take fucking shortcuts and expect to have all the skills necessary to do what you need to do. You have to work for it. And that comes with discipline. And discipline comes with saying no to plans every fucking weekend. When you know damn well you could be doing something better with your life. You have entered the Dragon Dynasty. If you ain't fly, get the fuck on. Dragon!